Hi everyone, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna be sharing two amazing homemade cleansers for the people with oily skin. So let's get started with the ingredients first. Start by mixing 1 tablespoon of gram flour and add just a pinch of turmeric powder and baking soda in it. Then apply the paste evenly on your face, including your neck, and leave it on for at least 10 to 20 minutes and let it dry. After that, rinse it off with warm water. Now, let's talk about the benefits your skin will get from these ingredients. Turmeric is known for its antibacterial properties and helps you get clear skin. It also reduces the oil secretion by the sebaceous glands. It is a great exfoliator and provides a youthful glow to the skin. Baking soda helps exfoliate the skin that removes the dead skin cells. It has an astringent-like property that helps close the pores and prevents them from clogging with dirt. Gram flour has natural alkalizing properties that helps in maintaining the ideal pH balance of the skin and regulates sebum production that prevents the skin from getting too oily. You can repeat this process twice or thrice a week. For the next homemade cleanser, take 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 lemon. Squeeze out the juice from lemon and then mix the honey well and massage the mixture on your face and neck and put it on your face for about 10 to 20 minutes. Then wash your face with warm water. You can apply this mixture twice a week. Honey has antibacterial and antiseptic abilities. It may benefit oily and acne prone skin. Honey is a great ingredient for oily skin. It helps in fighting off acne, pimple, reduces pore size, and controls excess oil secretion. Lemon helps in reducing oil due to the drying effects of citric acid, and it will also brighten up your complexion. Okay, so this is it, guys. Wait no more and try these homemade cleansers at your home. In the meantime, subscribe to my channel to stay updated for more skincare videos. Till then, take care. Bye.